Just a quick video. Kind of stopped over here. It's kind of nice. Let me cross this road. I already took a video. I mean, not a video, some pictures. But I can do it again. I don't know why that guy honked. My air horn's louder. So we're doing our 30-minute DOT break right now. This is where we're doing it. Bit of a tourist spot, but it's pretty. They got no real complaints. We should be in Phoenix later on today. I'm going to try to get a new truck today or tomorrow. So that truck could very well be gone. There's my student. So take a quick look over on that side, and that'll be the end of this video. I just got a break. Ow. Just got a thorn in my shoe. Alright. Oh, she's kind of nice looking. See me get punched. Can't blame me for looking. And you know, hit that like button if you agree. But anyway, really quite nice. There's a big old gorge over there. I'm not gonna walk over there. Over on my Instagram, you can see some photos I took. So yeah, and we're continuing on. Oh, lost another tire. It was the inside tire on the trailer this time, and not that tire over there. It was this tire that kept on getting all that metal. But hopefully we get down to Phoenix without catching anything else in it. This tire has been the bane of our existence. You see, there's the latest patch. There's a patch right here. Then something chewed it real bad right here. And there's like 2 more on the other side. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. I kind of miss OTR. I miss all these great views. Anyway, take it easy. Later.